Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and select Create a new wallet. Carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase in the exact order and store it safely offline. This phrase is your only way to restore your wallet if you lose your device, so keep it extremely secure. To send crypto, tap on the asset you wish to transfer, then select Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount. Always double-check the address to prevent errors. To receive, tap Receive on your chosen asset to display your unique wallet address and QR code. Share this with the sender. Transactions typically process within minutes, depending on network congestion. Enhance your wallet's security by enabling biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Trust Wallet also allows you to explore staking, where you can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Additionally, you can connect to a wide range of decentralized applications directly from within the wallet, expanding your crypto experience. If you encounter issues, first ensure your app is updated and your internet connection is stable. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase safe and never store it digitally. For extra security, consider using a hardware wallet for larger holdings. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.